Hello. A wet night again for many of us and still a cold wind blowing. There are some signs of the weather calming down a little bit as we go towards the weekend. More on that in just a moment. But first of all, this is the reason why it's been so wet and so cool for much of this week. A big area of low pressure sitting over us. These weather fronts bringing the rain through much of Thursday, continuing overnight, particularly across Scotland, Northern Ireland and down the western side of Wales into southwest England. As well as the wet weather here, there is a cold northerly wind blowing. There's also a chilly wind continuing to feed cloud and rain in off the North Sea into eastern Scotland. Now for much of eastern England, the Midlands, it's a largely dry night. Temperatures here dropping to between 14 and 15 degrees, a little lower further north, but overall many of us staying in the teens. So not especially cold start temperature-wise to Friday, but there will still be a lot of cloud, outbreaks of rain and a pretty cold wind blowing across Northern Ireland and down these Irish Sea coast into southwest England, where there will be further outbreaks of rain. Now, after a very wet Thursday, Scotland looks a lot drier on Friday. The patchy rain tending to fizzle out. There'll be some rain working into northeastern parts of England. It's going to feel pretty bleak again on some of these North Sea coasts. Temperatures only 14 or 15 Celsius. The Midlands, East Anglia and the southeast. Now here we should see a bit of sunshine poking through at times, and that could see temperatures getting up to 22 Celsius. But those temperatures may then spark one or two heavy showers in this part of the world as well. They'll be very hit and miss. Most places will avoid them. Through Friday evening, we'll see the cloud thickening up again across the east with outbreaks of rain trickling southwards. And again, that cold wind will be blowing here too. Still breezy in the west, but the rain should be petering out. For many, Friday evening turns dry, but with the winds from the north, it isn't going to be one of those balmy summer evenings. It is going to be definitely fresh. And we're going to start July fresh as well. On Saturday morning, there'll be a bit of a chill in the air. But overall, compared to this wet week, the weekend looks a lot drier, a lot brighter and a bit warmer as well. Can't promise glorious blue skies all weekend, but overall, I think things generally improving. More details on the weekend weather online.